Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a video. Today I'm going to be making an Easter egg wreath with all materials from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing here is taking my plastic eggs and hot gluing them onto my wire wreath form. Gluing all these eggs on took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. In order to save some time with this video, I'm going to cut it down and jump around a little bit. Now that I've got a pretty good base of eggs, it seems to be pretty full, I'm going to take my moss and glue it in between where all the gaps are showing. Thinking about it, it might have been easier just to glue the moss down onto the wreath form first and then put the eggs on instead of doing it the way I just did it. If you've done it that way and it was easier, let me know down below in the comments. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe during this crazy time. I have a lot of crafting projects I'd like to do, but with not being able to go to the store, they're just going to have to wait. It seems to be getting pretty full. I flip it over and do the underside just to make sure I haven't missed any gaps. I left a space down at the bottom of my wreath empty with no eggs on it, so I take these 4 rolls of ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attempt to make myself a big fluffy bow. I am definitely not an expert in making bows. I'm not even an intermediate at making bows, so this should be interesting. So I'm going to tie my 4 layers of bow together in the middle, make a knot. I'm going to attempt to fluff it out, see if I can get it to look like a bow or not. So I'm fluffing and I'm turning and I'm pulling, and I think it might have been easier if I had only used 3 spools of ribbon instead of 4. It still didn't come out bad at all. So I'm just going to cut my ends and dovetail them, make them a little bit more finished, and then I'm going to attach it to the bottom of my wreath. I'm just going to tie my bow on with some jute twine. And here is my finished Easter egg wreath. I'd like to wish you all a happy Easter, and please be sure to subscribe and come back and see me again. Thanks for watching.